Hello everyone, over here from Kearys BMW and Mini in Little Island, County Cork. Today I'm here with this beautiful 2021 BMW 520d. This is the M Sport package. This vehicle is a 2-litre diesel engine sitting on 19-inch Y-spoke alloy wheels. They are the M Sport jet black finish. This vehicle has the high gloss Shadowline exterior trim that we can see here in the front kidney grille, as well as the air vents. LED headlights with high beam assist, as well as the sun protection glass in the rear. A look at the inside of the cabin, we can see that it's finished in a brown leather interior, fully electric seats with lumbar support as well as tide support. You've got contrasting stitching, BMW iDrive with fluid Bluetooth connectivity for Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, 2-zone climate control, heated seats in the front, automatic transmission as well as different drive modes, traction control on and off, parking sensors as well as automatic handbrake, and you have your navigation. Multifunctional steering wheel as well as electronically controlled side mirrors. A look at the back of the cabin, we can see that it's quite spacious for the passengers too, with 2 fast chargers as well as individually controlled climate for the back. For any further inquiries, please give us a ring at 021 500 3600. Thank you.